Okay, check this out. Chevy Suburban, pretty much anything that has a newer car that has a stock stereo in it, you go and you hook up the one adapter to the wiring harness that you get at for $13 at AutoZone or O'Reilly's or wherever you want to say it's from, wherever you get it. But anyways, I found the way. Everybody's having to go and order the stupid stuff because they're not getting no sound. So they go to the store and they buy this one, and this is pretty much all you need, but they think that it's not. So you can get this and the aftermarket amplifier that's inside these Chevy Suburbans. They have this two plugs in there. So I'm going to pull this out just a little bit just to show you. Okay, I wired that harness just like everybody else. I'm sorry if this isn't bright enough. One second here. Where's that damn thing at? Okay, whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and say that it's as much light as I can really get for you guys right now. Sorry, but okay, this thing right here, this is the second one right here. Okay, this fucking thing right here. Let's see if I can get it right here in the light. Okay, it's the second plug. All right, you have your first one and second one. You know, let me see if I can turn my light for you. Sorry. There you go. All right, sorry. All right, see, you have this one right here. All right, you just wire it like you normally do. Okay, and then this thing right here. This is why you ain't getting no sound right here. This is it, you guys. Check it out. Look, all I did was I took a wire and I jumped it. See, it jumped right here to the 1, 2, 3, 4 to the fifth one on this side, and that's with these two facing up. The fifth one on this side to the other one on this side, which is the 1, 2. Okay, it's the second one. Okay, so count in two from this one, stick it in the second one on this side, and then count from this end 4. It's the fifth one, and then just stick it in there, and it bypasses everything. All right, then you get your sound and everything you want from it. Okay, everything that you need is right there. All right, trust me, it'll work.